the closet, I came out the pantry, so that's not gay. Just have. Alright, welcome to the nerdiest show of them all. But guess what? I'm not completely a nerd today because... Mom. Alright, guys, yeah, so we're emo today, as you can tell. And I have a nose booger, as my mom likes to say. Silly goose, it's a nose piercing. It's not a booger. And we have gauge earrings, so emo as fuck. But still mostly a nerd, you know how it is. Once you go nerdy, you're never coming back. Ah! Alright, well, let's get to the video. So, today, my fellow nerds, we got some beer, and I'm gonna be showing you guys how to chug the fuck out of it, as we like to call in the South. Damn, she's hot. I'm sorry. As we like to call in Utah, a shotgun. Alright. So here, we have this beautiful lady.
What's her
Provo
name?
Girl. It's Pilsner.
Shut up, I'm trying to watch the fucking show.
It's beer. We're getting drunk. Alright, guys. But, it is by Schoolatin. That word.
Ha, that
But yeah, so let's get to it.
Shut the
Alright,
fuck
guys,
up, Carl.
so what you're gonna do,
you
you're
again.
not gonna want
Shut
to
the
be a
fuck
dumbass,
up.
you have to kind of understand how gravity works,
Fine.
so fucking
God,
look
just
right
trying to
here,
have a
so
good time.
this is going up, you're gonna be wanting, you want that part up, and then you're gonna want to put your beautiful nail, alright, this might break it, but chugging beer is so worth it, so you want to put a little indent, just a little one, and you want to get your knife that you got from Boy Scout camp. Don't tell my mom.
I'm telling on you.
That I'm using it for beer. Because she'll take it away from me. But, you're going to want to grab your knife, not anything else. And you're just going to want to be careful. Be careful. Just like that. I like to make it a little bit wider, have a big mouth, and then you want to bend the metal piece because you don't want no ouchies in your mouth. All right. So now we have a hole. Okay. You put it to your mouth, and then you just have to. You all see what the fuck I'm doing, all right? 3, 2, 1.
Bless you. Bless you again.
Alright, well, that's how you do it. You just have to drink it. Put it to your mouth. Twist up. Twist up. Pull the tab. Chug. But I have not drank before, so I don't know this feeling. So I might just go back to the pantry for a second. I may throw up. Oh shit.
Uh-oh.
Oh. Femur. Oh. Alright, guys. Thanks for joining us. Keep it rocking.